Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a project with the right aspect ratio for your target platform. Choose 16, 9 for YouTube, 9, 16 for Reels. Next, import your footage and assets, drag files into the media bin, and group them into folders to stay organized. Once done, add your primary clip to the timeline as the base track and set the project length. This early organization prevents timeline clutter and speeds editing, so make sure to name tracks and mark key clips before you proceed. Now you assemble the story. Trim clips precisely using the razor and trim handles, and use ripple delete to keep timing tight. Add transitions and overlays sparingly, and place text templates where they support the message. Align cuts to audio beats for rhythm. For polish, apply color correction and a matching LUT, then normalize audio levels and use noise reduction on clips that need it. Make small adjustments incrementally, playback often, and use markers to keep complex sequences synchronized as you refine timing. Finish by watching the entire video at full resolution to verify captions, logos, and that all important content stays inside safe zones. Fix any timing or text errors. Choose export settings based on destination, MP4 with H. 264 is standard. Pick bitrate and resolution recommended for your platform. If export fails or stutters, first clear the app cache and restart. Then try lowering bitrate or rendering complex sections to intermediate files. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.